Hello everyone, welcome to your course Financial Modeling of 1 Megawatt Solar Captive Power Plant in Excel Sheet. I am your solar coach Professor Kiran R. Vildar. I am a trainer and rooftop solar system consultant, also a BEE certified energy manager and solar design and finance consultant at Renewable Energy Study Group and professor of renewable energy in Mumbai University, India. In this course, we're going to be talk about how we can just develop the financial modeling for the financial analysis and feasibility analysis for the captive consumer who wants to install the solar power plant at their rooftop area. So one by one in this course, we're going to be talk about 1 megawatt of the captive solar power plant. We're going to be talk about how to prepare the financial model and how to do the sensitivity analysis of the financial model. So here we're going to be talk about some important parameters like formulation of initial parameters. So what are the different parameters are required before we actually start the Excel sheet? Like some operating parameters are required, electricity grid tariffs charges are required, depreciation percentage are required. So like that, before we formulate the Excel sheet, what kind of a basic information is required, that we're going to be collect and learn about it. We're going to be see the loan repayment schedule. So whenever any customer is taking the loan from the bank, how he'll going to pay the loan in the corresponding schedule, that also we're going to be talk how to prepare that sheet also. We're going to be talk about profit and loss account statement due to the installation of solar power plant. How much amount of revenue has been generated? What are the different kinds of expenses are been available? So everything will going to be make a profit before tax and profit after tax. We're going to be talk about more in detail how to calculate the taxable income and the tax calculation based on the corporate tax percentage. Also, we're going to be talk about the cash flow analysis. What is the exact cash in the system, exact cash out in the system, and overall how we are just calculating the net cash flow at the end. Also, we're going to be talk about how to calculate the equity turnaround in the project, internal rate of return calculations, NPV and payback period calculations. And finally, we're going to be talk about the financial snapshot, how we can show this overall calculation for the customer presentation and what kind of a graphical representation will be required to be shown in the financial report. Also, we're going to be talk about the sensitivity analysis of the feed-in tariff charges. So basically sensitivity analysis we are using by changing a specific parameter of the PPA tariff, how it will going to affect on internal rate of return. Similarly for the cumulative saving over the lifespan, the net present value and the payback period. So one by one in detail we're going to be talk about how we can do the sensitivity analysis of financial model that to be considered in the solar financial model here actually. So I welcome to this course. You can join the course now.